挂挂挂
hang, put up,
hang, put up.
客厅的墙上挂了几幅画。客厅的墙上挂了几幅画。客厅的墙上挂了几幅画。
There are several paintings hanging on the walls of the living room.
There are several paintings hanging on the walls of the living room.
他把衣服挂在衣架上。他把衣服挂在衣架上。他把衣服挂在衣架上。
She hung the clothes on the hangers.
She hung the clothes on the hangers.
他喜欢把谢谢挂在嘴边。他喜欢把谢谢挂在嘴边。他喜欢把谢谢挂在嘴边。
He likes to say, thank you.
He likes to say, thank you.
同情。同情。同情。
Sympathy.
Sympathy.
懒惰的人不值得同情。懒惰的人不值得同情。懒惰的人不值得同情。
Lazy people deserve no sympathy.
Lazy people deserve no sympathy.
他不幸的遭遇让人同情。他不幸的遭遇让人同情。他不幸的遭遇让人同情。
Her unfortunate experience makes people sympathize.
Her unfortunate experience makes people sympathize.
我们要有同情心。我们要有同情心。我们要有同情心。
We need to be compassionate.
We need to be compassionate.
推。推。推。
Push. Put off. Postpone.
Push. Put off. Postpone.
他不小心把蜡像推倒在地上。他不小心把蜡像推倒在地上。他不小心把蜡像推倒在地上。
She accidentally pushed the wax figure to the ground.
She accidentally pushed the wax figure to the ground.
他喜欢把今天的事情推到明天。他喜欢把今天的事情推到明天。他喜欢把今天的事情推到明天。
He likes to put off today's tasks to tomorrow.
He likes to put off today's tasks to tomorrow.
公司推出新产品，吸引了不少顾客。公司推出新产品，吸引了不少顾客。公司推出新产品，吸引了不少顾客。
The company launched new products and attracted many customers.
The company launched new products and attracted many customers.
预习。预习。预习。
Prepare a lesson. Preview.
Prepare a lesson. Preview.
课前预习对学习非常重要。课前预习对学习非常重要。课前预习对学习非常重要。
Previewing before class is very important for learning.
Previewing before class is very important for learning.
在前一天晚上预习新课，这样印象较深。在前一天晚上预习新课，这样印象较深。在前一天晚上预习新课，这样印象较深。
Preview the new lesson the night before to make a deeper impression.
Preview the new lesson the night before to make a deeper impression.
预习可以帮助你养成独立学习的好习惯。 预习可以帮助你养成独立学习的好习惯。预习可以帮助你养成独立学习的好习惯。
Previewing can help you develop good habits of independent study.
Previewing can help you develop good habits of independent study.
重点，重点，重点。
Emphasis. Focus. Key point.
Emphasis. Focus. Key point.
我们必须清楚了解任务的主要目的，找到重点。我们必须清楚了解任务的主要目的，找到重点。我们必须清楚了解任务的主要目的，找到重点。
We must clearly understand the main purpose of the task and find the key points.
We must clearly understand the main purpose of the task and find the key points.
课前预习可以帮助我们找出学习的重点。课前预习可以帮助我们找出学习的重点。课前预习可以帮助我们找出学习的重点。
Previewing before class can help us find out the key points of study.
Previewing before class can help us find out the key points of study.
考试前，他又把重点部分看了一遍。考试前，他又把重点部分看了一遍。考试前，他又把重点部分看了一遍。
Before the exam, he read the key parts again.
Before the exam, he read the key parts again.
马虎，马虎，马虎。
Careless. Sloppy.
Careless. Sloppy.
做任何事情都要认真、仔细，不能太马虎。做任何事情都要认真、仔细，不能太马虎。做任何事情都要认真、仔细，不能太马虎。
You must be serious and careful in everything you do, and don't be too careless.
You must be serious and careful in everything you do, and don't be too careless.
上课时要认真听讲，不能马虎。上课时要认真听讲，不能马虎。上课时要认真听讲，不能马虎。
You should listen carefully during class and don't be careless.
You should listen carefully during class and don't be careless.
做作业马虎，不认真，就容易出错。做作业马虎，不认真，就容易出错。做作业马虎，不认真，就容易出错。
If you are sloppy and do not take your homework seriously, you will easily make mistakes.
If you are sloppy and do not take your homework seriously, you will easily make mistakes.
谢谢观看。